Giggles and grapes.
Guess the country by emojis.
Also, Nini is hiding in different scenes. Take a screenshot and share it with us on our Instagram DMs to win a tablet.
Japan. Belgium. Panama. Poland. Pakistan. Peru. Turkey. Iceland. China. Iran. Spain. Cuba. Thailand. Canada. Singapore. Ukraine. Finland. Oman. Romania. Portugal. Madagascar. France. Tonga. Denmark. Germany. Hungary. Austria. Ireland. Chile. New Zealand. Seychelles. Qatar. Togo. Brazil. Andorra. Taiwan. It's time to guess the riddles. I am soft and yellow, and you can find me in a field. I am a favorite for breakfast, and I am also good for a meal. What am I? I am a corn. I am tall when I am young, and I am short when I am old. I glow and make light. What am I? I am a candle. I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have a mouth, but water kills me. What am I? I am fire. I am green, and I am small. I like to hop and bounce. What am I? I am a frog. What has a bed but never sleeps, and runs but never walks? What am I? I am a river. What starts with T, ends with T, and has in it? What am I? I am a teapot. I have cities but no houses, forests but no trees, and rivers but no water. What am I? I am a map. I am white when I am dirty and black when I am clean. What am I? I am a chalkboard. When I am ripe, I am green. When you eat me, I am red. And when you spit me out, I am black. What am I? I am a watermelon. I have no wings, but I can fly. I have no eyes, but I can cry. What am I? What am I? I am a cloud. I get wet when drying. I get dirty when wiping. What am I? I am a towel. I can jump and I can climb. With my many legs I swing from tree to tree. I can make a house much bigger than me. What am I? I am a spider. I am brown and green, and home to many. I give shade and shelter when it rains and is sunny. What am I? I am a tree. I am something that you cannot use until it is broken. What am I? I am an egg. I have 2 eyes in the front and a lot of eyes on my tail. What am I? I am a peacock. Let's get started. Ice cream. Chicken burger. Popcorn. Tropical juice. Kokomo. Pineapple. Cornflakes. Chocolate milkshake. Bubble pop. Pumpkin pie. Shepherd pie. Pear. Cotton candy. Cottage pie. Corn dog. Hot dog. Strawberry milkshake. Pepperoni pizza. Rice cake. Cheeseburger. Cheesecake. Fruit punch. Onion ring. Lemon juice. Pancake. Coffee cake. Peanut butter cup. Fortune cookie. French fries. Pineapple cake. Let's see how many superheroes can you guess in the given 3 seconds. Level 1. Good luck. Time's up. This is Ant-Man. Time's up. This is Spider-Man. Time's up. This is Thor. Time's up. This is Iron Man. Time's up. This is Falcon. Time's up. This is Batman. Time's up. This is Rocket Raccoon. Time's up. This is Hulk. Time's up. This is Wolverine. Well done. Buckle up, kids. It's about to get tough now. Level 2. Hard but not impossible. Time's up. This is Captain America. Time's up. This is Groot. Time's up. This is Jessica Jones. Time's up. This is Miss Marvel. Time's up. This is Venom. Time's up. This is Korg. Time's up. This is Nighthawk. Time's up. This is Deadpool. Bingo! The final round is about to begin. Let's go. Level 3. Last chance to score. Time's up. This is Enchantress. Time's up. This is Quicksilver. Time's up. This is Xavier. Time's up. This is Emir. Time's up. This is Ultron. Time's up. This is Zeus. Time's up. This is Pyro. Time's up. This is Odin. Time's up. This is Loki. How many superheroes were you able to guess? Let us know. Till then, juniors, take care.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.